Good evening, guys. Today, our topic is eco-friendly products. And what do you mean by ecosystem? Because eco-friendly product comes from the word ecosystem. When we talk about ecosystem, it is an interaction between plants, animals, living and non-living thing. All these interactions are called ecosystem. And what are the things involved in this? Small insects, birds, animals like lion, tiger, regardless of their size. They all are included under this category called ecosystem. So what are the products of ecosystem, be it from the side of human being and from the side of plants and animals? And one of the factors is water. Uh, Water is utilized by both plant, animals, and it requires forests to maintain its existence. Imagine, without forests, where will you find water? Am I right? In the desert, you won't find water. What's the reason? Because water needs trees, ponds, and rocks to maintain its existence in a specific location. So the interaction which uh, which is happening between plants, animals, human being, and non-living things are all included when we talk about ecosystem. And water is one of the products. And in simple terms, water is utilized by everything, both plants and animals, human being. So it is under the category of ecosystem product. So we all are responsible in preserving ecosystem. And what do we do? We usually do shifting cultivations, especially in the far from areas, also known as slash and burns agriculture. And this cutting down of forests and cultivating different lands in different years, it does not consume the trees. It also spoils the soil. And according to the scientists, cutting down of forests became one of the main reasons why soil erosion has been widespread in the northern part of India. So, in order to reduce all these things, we must prohibit ourselves from cutting down trees. And what is the results of affecting the ecosystems? As we took an example of river, which is a part of the ecosystem product, once it is affected, how do we get water, by the way? Everyone from northern part, from southern part, any reasons, we all get water from the mountain, right? So when it is being under affection, we will not only suffer, even plants and animals need water to live. Moreover, when trees, which produce carbon dioxide at night and oxygen during daytime, which is essential air to us, and this can also be reduced if we consistently increasing deforestation in our regions. So when it is being affected, both plants and animals should suffer, and the consequences will be absolutely disgusting, right? So once there is less of flow of water in the mountain, the Deccan Plateau, in terms of Indian geography, will not get supplied from the mountain, and the rivers that we usually experience in the southern part of India will be disappeared once the ecosystem is being excessively affected in the northern parts. So it is our duty to improve it and preserve it as it naturally occurs from the mountain. And there are a lot of things we can do in order to preserve it. One of the things is declining deforestation. As a result, when we preserve forests, rivers, which are also a part of ecosystem product, it will not only help us, but also plants and animals. And how good it would be when we, along with plants and animals, live together in this environment. It will be excellent, right?